Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Mr.NET is here. This is video number 4, and in this video I'm going to add a click behavior to my card objects in my game. So for that I create a new script. Right click, create script, card behavior. I open my script in Visual Studio. And I delete the update in the start method. I need first only one method, a public void on click method. And when this method is called, I give a log message to the console. Card clicked. I save my script, I go back to Unity, and in my card prefab I have to add the script. So I use drag and drop and add my card behavior script to my card prefab. The next I need a component, a button, and this button has a onClick field, and in this field I can add my script. So I can use the onClick method from my script. Now I start the game, go to the console, clear it, and I click my cards, and we see the card click method is invoked. Now we have to get the information which card has which front image. And in our script we have the game panel behavior, and this contains a card property dictionary. So I have a card property for each instance which contains my front image and my back image. So I have to access from my card behavior this dictionary in the game panel behavior. In Unity we can see when I start the game that the card prefab or the instance is in the card panel, and the card panel is in the game panel. So I can use in my script methods to access these properties. For that I create here a method, public, that returns me a card property, return card property, and the argument is the current instance of the card prefab. So I return here, return underline card properties, the instance ID. Well, now I go to my card behavior and implement a method, private void action on click. And in this method I try to access my method in the game panel behavior, this method. So the return value is a card property, and I use get component in parent, and the component is the game panel behavior. And now I search my method return card property. The argument is this instance or the game object from this instance. Well, the next step is to get the current image of my card prefab. So that's a sprite, current sprite is game object, get component image. So I have to use using Unity engine.ui. Get component.sprite. So now I have the current sprite from my card, and if the current sprite is the same like the back image, so I can ask the card property dot back image, then I change the current sprite or the current sprite in my card prefab to the front image. So I say game object dot get component image dot sprite, and the sprite is my card property dot front image. I need here the game object dot. So, and if the front picture is the current sprite, I change my picture to the back image. So I save my script, go into Unity and start my game. And now the onClick method is invoked, but I forgot to invoke the action onClick method. Sorry for that. I save my script, start the game, and now we see the picture is turning. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video I try to add animation while we change the picture of the card. If you like this video, subscribe my channel or give me some feedback to improve my videos, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye.